It's Maitre from Language Maitre, and as you can see, it's snowing out here. It's actually the start of a big snowstorm. You're supposed to get about up to a foot of snow. You can look at the ducks over here. Now, during a snowstorm, some of the words that you'll hear or the phrases you'll hear are weather advisory, inclement weather. If the snow is bad, like really bad, you'll get a state of emergency. You'll also hear stay off of the roads, which means they'll have like a lot of, because you have the snow machines that cleans the roads, so they tell you to stay off the roads. Obviously, schools will close when you have a lot of snow. They will have school closings. Some people will not go to work. They will stay home. Some people will work from home. So these are just a few of the warnings, advisories, phrases you'll hear during a snowstorm. And hopefully this is the last snowstorm of the year, because today is supposed to be spring officially, I believe, right? So hopefully this is the last snowstorm. But yeah, just a few words you'll hear during a snowstorm, phrases you'll hear, and warnings and advisories. It's Maitre from Language Maitre. Till next time.
Silence sur silence qu'on garde